Alright, so just going to do some basic soldering here. Got my iron warmed up. Gonna put some headers in this thing. Clean the tip like so. Let's bring this down. And then I've got the strip I'm going to solder into this side. This I'm just going to stick in here to hold it level. Get those guys to stay there. Wiggle it back and forth a bit to try to get this. There we go. Get this oriented right. And then the solder I'm using is a little bit too thin. It'll be okay. So clean the tip. Get some solder on the tip. Clean the tip again. Get some solder on the tip. Now, let's get this where the best view is, I think. There we are. Okay. Clean this up. Okay, let's try that again. Clean the tip. Get some solder on the tip. And then touch it to the lead. Flow some solder into the joint and done. Touch it. Flow some solder in and done. And what I'm looking for is the solder will flow around the whole pin. So I'm looking for that. Flow and done. Okay, let's do a few more here. Flow and done. Okay. So sometimes it won't heat right because the tip is dry and this is cold out here. So what I'm actually doing is I'm pushing the solder in back here where it'll be melted by the tip and that'll carry the heat in, and then I can flow it around the lead. And I'm done. Once it starts to flow, I'm out of there very quickly. I don't want to overheat it. But sometimes, you know, if I just sit there for a minute, this is how people will say to solder is you heat the far side, and then, you know, what's happening is some heat is traveling somewhere. It's just not going there very quickly. So you can get your component, you know, maybe up past its damage threshold before your lead gets to solder melting temperature. So you want to throw a little liquid solder in there to do the job very quickly so you can get out before anything's hurt. Just like so. Come on. There we go.